This is the first video for Kids Love Maths, in which we will help you in teaching how to use the Kids Learn Math Unity package in a new Unity project and then setting it up. So first of all, what we will do is we will go to the Unity Hub. We are using Unity 2019 version. We will create a new project. Go to select it 2D because this is a 2D project. Now I will name it project underscore kids learning math, and my default destination is this. Please remember I'm using a Mac. The process will be similar for Windows installation. The process will not change. Now a new project is being made. In that new project we will copy this Unity package, and then I will show you step by step how you will set up the complete project, add the scenes in proper order in the Unity editor, and then I will show you how easy it is to set up the complete project. Depending upon the speed of your PC, making a new project Unity 2D, it takes time. Now that my new project is available, what I will do is I will import the Unity package in the below the scenes folder. Here you don't have to make any changes, and you have to just press the import button. This will import the complete project in your new Unity project. It does take time because there are many files. There are around 10,000 files in this project. It is a big file. There are different sprites. There are around 20 sprites that are made of each number. In my case, I have used a single digit addition. So I have made a sprite from sprite 0 to sprite 19. Even the sprites are named in the exact order. Sprite 0 is named as 0.png, sprite 1 is named as 1.png. Even the sounds that I have made using Audacity, and I have recorded my own sound. So the audio files are also is 0.ogg for 0 sound, 1.ogg for 1 sound. So I think you've got an idea. Now that my complete project is loaded, now I have made a scenes underscore 1 folder so that my scenes of the previous project can be easily be seen here. Now the next thing that you have to do is go to build settings and copy all the 4 scenes and paste it here. Now there is something which is very important that you need to keep in mind, that the build number of main menu should be 0. That is, it should be loaded first, then it is followed by the level menu, and then it is the play underscore add, and then play underscore sub. So this is the setting. This is the only setting that you have to do to run this project and nothing else. Now double click on main menu. The main scene will be loaded. Set the display to 1920 into 1080. It can be set to anything. Maximize it. Remove this mute audio option, and that's it. The mobile is working. The phone app is working. As you can see, I have done nothing else. It is so simple. I click the add button.
Plus 6 equal to dun 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 dun.
This is the video. Now you have seen one scene working. Similarly, the sub scene
5
also works.
minus 1 equal to dun 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 dun.
Now you have seen it is working completely. Just press the play button again to come out of the menu. So that's it for this video. This is the complete video of setting up. You have nothing to change, nothing to add or delete to work this video. So in the next video I will try to explain you what are the different components of the play underscore add scene. So if you want to change the audio and number sprites, how will you change? In the next video I will explain you that. Thank you.